Hello people, welcome to Airdropspot. In today's video, we are going to be interacting with DataHaven Testnet. DataHaven is a decentralized storage platform secured by Ethereum restaking through Eigenlayer. To get started, we are going to visit their app interface and then we are going to make use of faucet. Now to do that, it is going to ask you to add DataHaven Testnet to your wallet, and that is what I'm currently doing, and then you are going to be required to sign in. I have done that. Now I am going to click on faucet. I'll complete the captcha and then click on request tokens. After doing this, I will have to confirm in my wallet and 500 test tokens will be deposited in my wallet. That is successful. Now we are going to move on to their testnet interface. We are going to go to datahaven.apps/testnet. The first thing to do is to connect wallet. So I'm going to click on connect. And then I'm going to sign in. Now to have access to the testnet interface, I'm going to click on sign in with MSP. And I'll confirm in wallet. So they have a faucet button here, so you can make use of this for your testnet token. I did not know, that's why I visited the previous site to use the faucet. So you can just click on get testnet tokens here and then get your test tokens. Another thing that you can interact with here is to check their documentation if you want to read about DataHaven. The other buttons, they are not active for now. Most importantly, we are here to create bucket. So I'll scroll back to the top and then I'm going to click on create bucket. Scroll to the bottom and then check the terms of service, then click on start. Now you are going to give a name to your bucket. This is your cloud storage. You are going to give a name to your bucket, so I will click on that box and then enter any random name. Now you have to have it in mind that whatever bucket that you are creating here on testnet is going to be in public, which means anybody can see it. Now we are going to tap on create bucket. It costs 100 mock tokens to create a bucket and I have 500 because I used the faucet. However, I was getting error and I tried this for several hours yesterday. I kept getting error. So in order not to waste our time, we'll just jump to the part where I made use of my PC and I got it done on PC. So this is DataHaven Testnet interface on PC. I am going to click on create bucket. Then I'm going to check the terms and conditions and I will click on start. Now we want to create a bucket. I'm going to give it a random name, my bucket, and I'll click on create bucket. Then I'm going to confirm this transaction in my wallet. Transaction has been submitted, and this step is like you creating your own cloud storage, or for Android users creating your own Google Drive. So now my drive is ready, and inside your Google Drive you can either upload files directly on the Google Drive or you can create folders to keep everything organized and then upload your files inside folder. So I'll be doing the latter. I'll be creating a folder inside my bucket. Now I'm going to name this folder cute animal cartoons. Okay, now I am going to click on that folder that I just created. You can see the storage part that is showing my bucket / cute animal cartoons. This shows where I am currently. Now I clicked on upload and I am going to pick an image from my gallery. and then upload inside this folder that is in my bucket. I'll click on create storage request and I'll confirm this in my wallet. So I just uploaded an image inside the folder that I created inside my bucket. Now I'm going to just play around. This one is still processing on chain. I'm going to play around and add another image. So I am back in my gallery. I'll be picking another file. I'll click on create storage request and then confirm in my wallet. So I just submitted another image inside the folder. Now remember that the folders, the cloud storage that you are creating is public, which means anybody that sees it can interact with it. So there are two key things that people can do. They can either preview your file or they can download it. Now if you see all, you see a copy icon beside it. That is the download all. If you paste it in a new tab, it is going to automatically download that file. You can see that my download history. Now let's go back and see the preview all. If you copy it and then paste it in a new tab, you can preview the contents of somebody's folder in their bucket. So you can see I uploaded the picture of a fox cartoon. That is the content of this folder, of this particular image rather. So I went ahead and created another folder, colors, and then I can upload whatever it is that I want inside this folder as well. So that's all that we have to do on DataHaven Testnet for now. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then do well to give a like in this video and also subscribe to my channel for more updates on DataHaven and other airdrop tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in another tutorial.